It's a 2018 Ford Escape. Get away every time you get into this Escape. Its amazing ability and maximum cargo configurability makes every trip the perfect journey. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, AM/FM satellite radio, front heated bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, active grille shutters, selective service internet access, and streaming audio. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.